What's up guys, welcome to my channel. For the returning subscriber, I'll say thank you, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe please, like and share for more content so that you can be informed every time I'm uploading a new video. So today we are going to look at a very important topic. So for beginners, if you're a forex trader and you're a beginner, so keep locked and let's see how we move. Yeah, so the first thing you're going to need is a platform that will enable you to get into the market, and in that case we'll either use an MT4 or an MT5, that is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So today I'm going to introduce you to MetaTrader 4 and how you can download, install and begin trading. So let's get in straight away. We'll go to our Google, key in the word MetaTrader 4, then we'll scroll, look for this one here, MetaTrader 4. So I'm going to guide you through how to install and how to begin. So part of the things that you might need, you'll need a broker, you'll need to have a platform that you're going to use, you'll need capital that you'll begin with, among many other things. So but for today, because the title of the video is simply how to install and begin using the MetaTrader 4, so we are there. So I'm trying to download the MetaTrader 4, but since I have it, so I'm just going to open it. That is the process. So you go to the Google, type in MetaTrader 4, download, and then you install it, and then you'll have an interface that looks like this. So we can go through part of the things that or some of the icons that we can see. So on the far left, you can see we have currencies. So like for example, we have Euro USD, then we have GBP against USD, USD against JPY, and also on the right we have their prices. Currently the market is not open, so that is where we are not able to see them running. So if I can take you through maybe part of the icon, so if you tap these three dots on your far left, we can see a number of things. So we have manage account. So this is where you are able to key in your credentials, that is your password and your ID. So if you can see from the interface, so we have from the first one we have trade, we have mailbox, we have economic calendar, we have traders community and all that, settings and all that. So if you tap there, you'll be able to key in your credentials, that is you'll have your ID and also your password. So moving on, if we go to the lower part here, so if you tap the two arrows, you'll be able to see all the currencies that you have currently in your MetaTrader 4. So for example, if you want to add another currency, so you'll tap on the plus and then you'll be able to add the currency that mine is not able to move because of data, but if you tap there, you'll be able to add the currencies that are not in your MT4. And then the second one, if you tap there, you'll be able to see the candlesticks. So if you tap there, it will bring you the candlesticks like that. So we have all that, and then you'll be able to customize them according to your preference. And then looking at the third one, if you tap there, you'll be able to see your balance, your equity and your free margin. Moving on, tapping the fourth one, you'll be able also to see your deposit, your and also your balance. Pretty much I think that is the most important. Then let's say you want to change from one time frame to the other. So if I tap on the screen, you can see this circular thing. So we have 1 minute, we have 5, we have 15, 30 minutes, all the way monthly. So let's say maybe I want to do my analysis, maybe I want to begin my analysis from monthly. So I'll tap that, go to my monthly. So mine is not able to load because I do not have data at the moment, but that is the process. So if you are at H1, so that is 1 hour. If you are on 30 minutes, you can do your analysis from 30 minutes, 15 minutes and so such like. And then another thing, so the same icons that we are able to see at the top, so we also have them here. So for example, that F will enable you maybe be able to key in different indicators. So for example, from the trend we have Bollinger Band, we have envelopes, we have moving average, oscillators, we have bear's power, we have momentum, we have MACD, relative strength index, and such like. So if you tap on the F, you'll be able to add an indicator of your choice. And then if maybe you want to add maybe if you don't want to see the hassle of going to the other side to add maybe lines or channels or any maybe Fibonacci that you want to add, any shape, so you can tap on the F and then you'll be able to add it. So you tap on that plus, I'll be able, for example, if I want to add the horizontal line, so I'll just tap on the horizontal line and it will have been added automatically, so I can use it for maybe my analysis. Pretty much it. If you want any guidance, you can reach out to me. I've left my credentials on the description box. You can reach out for any guidance concerning, if you want maybe the signals, you can reach out to me and then we'll be able to sort it out. Otherwise, have a nice time, guys.